We are all up on the autumn unit today. We've got a big TB test going on. I'm just setting up the gates, driving the milkers round. We've got Toby, Charlie sweeping up bed down. They're here. Here's the wagon. Here comes Charlie. Toby over there scraping up. Then they're going to put some grub round in a minute. Go on in. New Kubota there, Coyote. I'm driving the cows out, opening up the doors so you can come in and do the bedding. When we got a big day on like today, we all gather on one farm and get the work done nice and easy, nice and smooth, so no one wears out. It all runs smooth. We've done a lot of animals. We've been going since 9 o'clock this morning. Just TB testing straight through lunch, straight through everything. And then we just got these to do. Milkers now, we've done the dry cows, and then we're going to be probably wrapped up by, I say, 5:30, 6 o'clock. So a big day, and then we do it all again on Thursday then. So at the moment, at this point in time, it's 2 o'clock. We've got Charlie on San Spencer, Toby on scraping up. I'm driving the cows out cubicles. Tom is doing the TB testing, and Josh and Stefan are in the milk parlour. Tom's with the vet because he knows all the cows, because he runs this place up here. And then once I've drove these cows out, I'll go on, and the cows what have been TB tested, what are gathering in the yard, I'll drive them back round into here so they're straight back down the barrier. Yeah, I'll come give you a hand. So these beds here are done. Just going to scrape this out in a minute. We had automatic feed scrapers here, but we took them out because the feet, the dermatitis is quite bad. So since we've done that, it's a lot better on the feet. First lot of cows been TB tested, and they're going to come back round here now, straight into the yard. This is all set, ready for them. Go on in. Get on. So we've literally been in the yard 10 minutes. We've drove them out, they're through the parlour, and the first lot have been TB tested and back straight down the barrier. Get on. Go on, go, 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 go. Go on, go on, go on, go on, go on. Get on. It's the first 60 done. In a minute, Charlie's going to finish doing the beds, scrape up that last shed, and then push the silage up. They get fed round once a day, all in the morning. So 2 load of grub put round with a wagon there. And that's just once a day. And then in a minute, he will take that wagon and he will take that down on the oil rank avenue and then feed round down there. And then they're done down there for a whole day. So it's like 2 feeds each farm once a day. Go on, go on. Go on. Is this shed all set, Charlie? This shed's all set, innit? Go on. Go on. Go on. We're on Affymilk collars up here, heat detection collars. Got 150 cows with them on at the moment. There's one. That all goes back to Tom's phone so you can see the heat, what ones are on heat and what not. Good strong collars they are. And then we've got the GEA on the all year round calving. Quite a heavy collar, got a big weight underneath. That all goes to a box in there and then it goes back to Tom's phone and he checks on there every day, see what's bulling and what not. So we ain't got to tail paint up or walk around and check up here, because quite often we're not on this farm, we're elsewhere. But down on it all year round cabin where there's no heat detection at all, it's just eye, there's a lot more people down there walking around throughout the daytime. So it works. The Affymilk does work well, it's a smart collar. And it's a good system on your phone too. They sat down on a fresh bedding. A rape straw, chopped up rape straw. And they're on mattresses. They're all settled in. That's done every day, that is. Different over sand, what it's done every 2 or 3 days, depending on what the weather's like. But good results here too. Good cell counts, good back scans. Even in all this rain we've been getting. These are in day and night. They've been in day and night for about 2 weeks now. This is the rape straw here. Real joy stuff it is. That says sawdust, seems to work alright, a little bit cheaper. Sand dispenser here, this is the second season now. He's done all the last winter. So we've done a year on it, and he's still gone nice and strong. I say it's relatively loud, but it's nothing to worry about too much. On the same blend is down on the all year round calving. Looks a little bit lighter, but I just think it's because it's got more light shining on it. That's 26% protein. I think we are actually going up on the protein a little bit to push the milk on. Got the pile of cake there where we've been feeding some calves. It's better in here because just dump it in. It's a little bit cheaper than blowing. These are in the last shed now. Charlie's just pushing that silage. This is the fourth and final shed. Cows are all indoors now. They go outside for milking, but they're all indoors. Right, whilst we get the last few round for TB testing, I thought we'd start feeding some calves. They all seem to be pretty happy. These are all heifers, it's the same as your all year round calving unit. The bulls leave at 2 weeks old, and then we can focus on the heifers. We ain't got a dedicated calving unit at the moment. All calves are reared on each farm, but what we're planning on doing in the future is setting up a calving unit, a calf unit where all the heifer calves will go, probably about a week old. Here we go, last few going in now. Just starting to get dark.